You're live.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, you have to tell me if you're live. Okay, no. Hey, everybody, how are you? I'm again going live today. I'm doing a procedure on my lovely patient here who has done some other treatments in the past, and today we decided to do a PDO thread mid and lower facelift for her. So PDO threads basically are absorbable sutures, and these are very good for lifting the tissue of the face. So when we use bobbed PDO threads, we can actually do structural lifting of this part of the face. When ladies come in, they usually complain about the jowling here and this fold hanging over around the mouth. And sometimes when we do other treatments, it's, you can get some lifting, you can get some tightening, like radiofrequency or microneedling or lasers, but sometimes you need that structural lift, and that's when the threads come in and do a really good job. So the bob threads are basically very easy to use if they're, if you go to an experienced person, then you'll get really good results, and you don't have to worry about any side effects. They're very, very rare. So I know it sounds sometimes when I talk to patients and I tell them about the threads, and they're like, okay, oh, threads, oh, that sounds kind of intense and stuff, but basically I'm going to show you right now, like I have actually numbed her already, so she's very comfortable. We have made some vectors. The vectors, it means that the areas that we want the maximum lift in the right direction, so that's where the vectors are. So we want to lift right here, we want to lift like right here, because that's where she has some laxity. These are what the threads look like. They're mounted on blunt cannulas and they're barbed. And we have made a little tiny hole here, so really there are no incisions involved. There won't be any sutures involved. These threads themselves are absorbable, so when we do put them under the skin gets traps over them, or pretty much like anchors over the threads, because they're barbed, and produces lifting. So immediate results is something that patient really enjoys. So that immediate benefit of a facelift, and then in the long run, these threads are replaced by collagen. So your skin also gets a lot of boost because it gets new collagen, and the lift can last you up to 1 year. So a very good way to lift your skin. Holidays are coming. She wanted to get a fresh look for the holidays. So here we are doing the threads. So watch closely. So I already made a hole here, and we're going to go through this. Like I said, these are really good for lifting of the facial tissue. They go under the dermis in the fatty layer, over the fatty layer, sorry. So you see now I'm right here, and she's very comfortable right there. You see the cannula? I'm going to just press on that and rotate it a little bit and then pull it out. So what my finger is doing is actually holding the thread there, and the cannula itself is being pulled out. See that? You see how, you see that lift here? How amazing that is, how that moves that tissue right there. Yeah, so that's that. We're going to put 4 threads on this side, and then you will be able to see the difference between the 2 sides as to how it really helps in a non-surgical lifting. Take a deep breath. Go a little different. I think because of the subnovae, you have a lot of collagen there. There you go. Got it. All right, just had a little push through some fibrous tissue there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get this job here. One push again. Take a deep breath. perfect, got it. All right. Okay, I'm gonna hold it again. Gonna go ahead and go. Okay. Wow, that looks so good. Look at this right here, all smooth now. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and lift the jawline here. For the jawline, I'm also using bob threads, but they are the infinity type, which are molded. They have a higher tensile strength, so the jawline needs a little bit more hold. So that's what we're doing here. I love the infinity threads because they really do a fantastic job for the jawline. The last one here. Usually it's pretty quick, but because I'm on live right now, I'm trying to make sure you all can get a complete feel of this procedure. So I'm going a little slow right now. Take a deep breath. Perfect. All right, so very nice. I think that looks amazing. Let's go ahead and clean these vectors off. Can I have some alcohol? Okay, so you can see the difference on the two sides of the face. The threads over here will be cut off, so they're not gonna, once they're cut off, they get flush with the skin and nobody can tell anything because there are no sutures, nothing. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. See this here? See how tight this is? And right here. So we're gonna do 4 threads on this side as well. So I hope you liked the, you got a feel of what this thread lifting is like. Remember, this is not surgical. This is almost like a lunchtime facelift. Post care is very minimal. There's hardly any downtime. And if you need that immediate lifting and immediate rejuvenation of your face, and you're worried, you are like really bothered with laxity and jowling and stuff, this is the way to go. Some people do it once a year to keep their collagen going, to keep their lift, and you can pretty much prevent surgical facelift in your older, as you get older, because if you start really like in your 40s and do this can really help you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We will post the results soon. Thank you so much.